All right, everybody, I want to just go over the digestive system model. This is a really good one to take a look at. So this is how it all looks. And we're going to start really at the top here, right, where this is going to be your oral cavity, where your tongue and your mouth, well, obviously this is your mouth, but um, this is going to be your oral cavity here. Up here would be your hard palate. You see where it's hard. And then back here would be your soft palate. And you see the soft palate actually terminates at the uvula, which is right here, which is at the very back of your throat, right? This structure here is going to be your nasopharyngeal tonsil. This would be your palatine tonsil. And back here, right here, would be your lingual tonsil. And then this structure here will be your epiglottis. I'm not sure if that's even on your list, but that's okay. This structure here is going to be your esophagus, right? So in the back of the throat, the back of the mouth will be the throat, which really starts from here all the way to really here. And this top portion is going to be called your nasopharynx, oropharynx, laryngopharynx, right? So that's this part. So food goes from the oral cavity through the oropharynx, laryngopharynx, down the esophagus. This is your esophagus. This is going to be your stomach, your duodenum here, jejunum, ileum, ileocecal valve, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, rectal canal, and then anus, right? But if we go back up here, this structure is going to be your cardioesophageal valve, but it may be called sphincter, so the cardioesophageal sphincter here. When you first come into the stomach, this is called your cardia. Cardia here, up here will be your fundus, right? So cardia, fundus here. Most of the stomach is the body, right? So this whole thing is the body here. But again, at the beginning will be your cardia. Up at the top will be your fundus. Most of the stomach will be the body. And this area here at the very bottom of the stomach will be called your pylorus here. All right, and coming off of the stomach will be your duodenum. So to really look at the duodenum, I'm going to remove the colon, and you can see the duodenum in all of its glory here. So this is going to be your duodenum, and that duodenum is going to hook up right here with going to be the jejunum and then ileum here, right? So and more likely we probably aren't going to be able to ask you like, hey, point to the ileum or jejunum, but if we do, you should know that duodenum is going to be up here, jejunum is going to be around here, and the ileum will be around here. Okay. If you look here, this is going to be the pancreas here, and in white, this is going to be your pancreatic duct, right? So you have pancreas kind of this yellow gold, and in white, you're going to have this pancreatic duct, which is going to merge with the duodenum, and this is going to allow pancreatic juice to come in here and help digest the food that you consume. You see a little bit of the bile duct right here, and I'll have another video for that one because this is a little bit hard to kind of show like in this particular model. But this is the liver, the right side and the left side. This structure here will be your gallbladder, followed by your cystic duct there. Cystic duct and gallbladder right there. And I'll make another video talking about that one. Okay, so let's put this back together. All right, so so now we have our duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. And then if you look up here, this is your ileocecal valve. You see that, right? So the border between the ileum and the cecum here. And hanging off the cecum is this appendix right here. So you see the appendix hanging off the cecum. And very easy up here, this is your ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, anal canal, and then anus, right? So again, cecum, appendix, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, rectal canal or anal canal, which is going to be here, and then the anus. And don't worry about it, we're never going to ask you about the anus. Okay? Last thing. You see like these folds in here? Right, you see that? All right, those are called rugae, right? These are going to be called rugae, and so when your stomach is full, these rugae kind of smooth out, right? But when you're not full, these things kind of wrinkle up again. The last thing, you see these things kind of look like Tootsie Rolls, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like these little humps. You see those? Like here, 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 or here, here, here. Each one of these humps are called hostrum, or hostra for plural. You see? So you only see them in the large intestine here, which is right here. And just so that you know, the large intestine and the colon are the exact same thing. And if you're wondering what this little structure here is here, don't worry about it. It's called the spleen. But it's good to know because a lot of students will think this is the liver or some other organ. So just know that you are going to be tested on this one there. All right, well, I think that is it for this one. Okay, I'll make another video if I'm missing anything. Okay, bye.